Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're going to be achieving a very minimalist makeup look. I'm really excited for this one because personally for me, I like to take it really slow and really light when it comes to makeup sometimes. Don't get me wrong, a girl does love a good beat, but today we're definitely taking the minimal route. First and foremost, we're going to be starting off with the Marc Jacobs dewdrops. Honestly, you guys, this is my first time trying this product. I've never tried this product before. I probably never tried any Marc Jacobs beauty products before. But definitely this month I was introduced to it, and even last month, so I'm really excited. So this is what the bottle looks like. It comes in 2 shades featured in our box, but the one I'm using is called Do You. You guys, I literally have that in my Instagram bio, like, do you. You gotta live by it. You gotta be yourself. Okay, so I'm really excited. Let's do this. Ooh, this is like golden goodness right here. Look at that. What I'm gonna do first, since I'm really trying to achieve like this dewy look, I'm just gonna pick some up with my blender a tad bit because I don't want to add too much, get overwhelmed. So what I love about this product is that I'm able to add onto it if I feel like the first round of application is not enough for me. And it's not, so I'm definitely gonna double that. So this is the first round. Now we're gonna see what the second round looks like. Okay, Charmers, so this is the second round of application. It looks like it may look like it's a lot on camera, but in person it looks very subtle and it looks very like dewy. You know what I mean? Like it's giving like that dewy goodness. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and apply it on the other side. So now what I'm gonna do is apply just a tad bit in the inner corners of my eye. Using that same amount of product that I had. Literally just gonna take a little bit. And I'm literally gonna take a little bit more. Cute. So now that's on this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So now that I'm all dewy with the Marc Jacobs Dewy Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter, I'm now going to apply the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Vivid Smoky Quartz. I love this color because the brown is so beautiful. When I swatched it, I was like, I definitely want to use this product. It's a very dark brown, and I feel like if you're going for that natural look, this is definitely a color that you want to go for, something that's closer to your eye color, and that's definitely why I chose this one. So let's go ahead and apply it. I typically would do like the top right here if I definitely want to emphasize my natural lashes, but I'm also gonna do the top and a little bit of the bottom just to add like a little smokiness, you know what I mean? So let's get started. So once you've applied your eyeliner on top of your lash line, take an angled brush and just smudge it right on top of your lash line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on my lower lash. Okay, so I've applied the Stila eyeliner, and now I just added some more emphasis into my eyes, as you can see. I'm honestly not as used to lower eyeliner, so this is really new for me as well. But the top eyeliner for me is a definite because it just allows for your eyelashes to look like there's more volume to your lashes when there really isn't. It's almost like a line trick type of thing. So I really like it. This color is definitely a must if you're going for a very light natural makeup look. Definitely. But if you want to have fun, the other colors are a must-have. So now I can't complete a look without my lips, and I'm really excited for this one because I tried it last month and I was like, I'm gonna love this for sure. So I'm excited. I'm gonna be trying on the Marc Jacobs Beauty High Shine Gloss, and I'm wearing the shade French Tickler. So I picked this one because I wanted to go with something that was a bit more softer, not too heavy on the color, and I think this was the definite fit for me. Ooh, I love this already. Yep. It smells like a little bit of like peppermint. Yep. Ooh, I like it. I want to swatch the color for you guys so you can really see it. This is the color right here. It's very universal. It'll work for all skin tones. It'll go perfectly with everyone. The overall color may look a bit peachy, but I kid you not, there's absolutely little to no color here, which makes it universal for everyone. That's super cool, right? I love it. Alrighty, charmers, so that goes ahead and wraps it up. I used 3 products to achieve this very minimalist makeup look, and I used the Marc Jacobs dewdrops in the shade Do You. I used the Marc Jacobs High Shine Gloss in the shade French Tickler. And I also used the Stila eyeliner in the shade Smoky Quartz. So I'm really excited with this final look. I really love it. This is definitely something I'm heading over to go get lunch for. So it's quick and simple. All these products are featured in our premium box. If you haven't upgraded to our premium box, I definitely and highly recommend it because you're getting like some premium products in your premium box. Like, honestly, let's be real, you're getting some really great products that I feel like everyone should be introduced to, you know what I mean? Alrighty guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell notification right there so you can be alert with any new content that we have featured on our page. And that's it, you guys. Be safe. Bye.